Okay guys, so in order to do this example of finding cost, you're going to need a calculator. So make sure you have your calculator handy and of course something to write with. So the example says, how much does it cost to use a blow dryer for 20 minutes if the power rating is 1,500 watts and the rate of electricity is 8.8 cents per kilowatt hour? So the first thing we need to do is to find the energy used. And the energy used is equal to the power rating time multiplied by the time used. And note that the power rating must be in kilowatts and the time used must be in hours. So in our case, our power is equal to 1,500 watts. So we need to convert this into kilowatts. So how will we do that? Well, a kilowatt is equal to 1,000 watts. So that means we need to take our watts and we need to divide by 1,000. Divide by 1,000, since 1 kilowatt is equal to 1,000 watts. So we will divide by 1,000, and I can show that like this as well. (1,000) watts is equal to a kilowatt. So you could put that in your calculator. 1,500 divided by 1,000, and we get 1.5. So is equal to 1.5 kilowatts. The next thing we need to do is convert our time into hours. So because our time is equal to 20 minutes, we need that into hours. How many minutes are there in an hour? 60 minutes, that's right. So 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. So we can show this again. Time is equal to 20 minutes. So we need to divide by 60 because 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. And we can show it like this. 60 minutes, 1 hour. Right, so when we divide those two, that ends up going away and we're left with hours. So we'll put that in our calculator. 20 divided by 60, 0.33333333. So we're going to just leave that as 0.33 hours. Okay. Now we're ready to put that into our equation. Energy used equals power times time. So power was 1.5 kilowatts. And I've put a bracket, that's like a multiplying sign, times time, which is equal to 0.33 hours. If we put that in our calculator, we already had the 0.3 times 1.5 equals 0.5. So 0.5, and our unit is kilowatt hour. So that's how much energy we would use if we used our blow dryer for 20 minutes. So how much is that going to cost? That's the next thing we're going to find. So the cost is equal to the energy used times the rate. So in our question, the rate of electricity is 8.8 cents per kilowatt hours. So we're going to take what we got in our last question, energy used, so 0.5 kilowatt hours times, I'll just use that because it's equal to the brackets as well, times our rate, which is 8.8 cents per kilowatt hour. Okay, put that in my calculator. So the 0.5 was still there, times 8.8 cents. And can you see that? 4.4 cents, right? So the kilowatt hours would cancel out and I'd be left with cents. So 4.4 cents. So that's it. That's how much it costs to use your blow dryer for 20 minutes. So you could put that in a sentence. It costs 4.4 cents to use the blow dryer for 20 minutes. Look at that. So that's how we find cost. So your challenge now is going to be to find the cost for an appliance in your home. So you can go into the assignments and print out a sheet similar to this one, or you can do it on the computer and find an appliance in your home, and you will find its power rating, so where it says W on it, and you will find your rate of electricity of what it is in Stony Creek or Hamilton or Winona, wherever you are. I looked at mine for Grimsby, and right now all electricity costs 10.1 cents per kilowatt hour. They are not changing the rate for the time of day, which they usually do. So we're all getting the off-peak rate, it's called. So you can look up your off-peak rate and find out how much it costs to use an appliance in your home. I look forward to seeing your answers. Have a great day. Bye.